To protect yourself from HIV/AIDS, here are some key precautions. Use condoms. Always use condoms correctly during sexual activity to reduce the risk of HIV transmission. Get tested regularly. Regular HIV testing helps you know your status and that of your partner. Avoid sharing needles. Never share needles or syringes. Use sterile injection equipment if you inject drugs. Consider PrEP. Pre-exposure prophylaxis. PrEP is a daily pill that can significantly reduce the risk of HIV infection if taken consistently. Limit sexual partners. Reducing the number of sexual partners decreases the risk of exposure to HIV. Avoid unprotected sex. Engage in safer sex practices and avoid unprotected sex with partners whose HIV status is unknown. Get treatment for other STIs. Treating other sexually transmitted infections, STIs, can reduce the risk of HIV transmission. Educate yourself and others. Stay informed about HIV prevention methods and share this knowledge with others. HIV or AIDS. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, which is a virus that attacks the immune system. If left untreated. 1. Transmission. HIV can be transmitted through contact with infected blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. Common ways it spreads include unprotected sexual contact, sharing needles, and from mother to child during childbirth or breastfeeding. 2. Stages. Acute HIV infection. This is the first stage where people may experience flu-like symptoms. Chronic HIV infection. Clinical latency. The virus multiplies at low levels and individuals might not show symptoms. AIDS. The most severe phase where the immune system is badly damaged and the body can't fight off infections and diseases.